To open an Axure RP file with Axure RP 11, right-click and select Open with Axure RP 11. If you have other versions of Axure, like Axure RP 10 or RP 9, double-clicking the file will open it with the latest installed version. To save the document, click the Save option in the menu bar. Since my document was created in Axure RP 9, saving it will only allow it to be opened with Axure RP 11. We then choose a path to save it, so we won't have to input it again next time. Selecting Save As in the menu lets us save the file to a specific path on the hard drive, where we can directly overwrite the original file. Axure also allows importing some or all content from another document by clicking Import from RP File. After choosing a document, an import wizard will open, allowing us to select pages to import and decide whether to add or keep them. We can also choose settings for adaptive views, generators, configurations, page note fields, widget note fields and sets, page styles, widget styles, and summaries. For file backups, click on Backup Settings in the menu to set the backup interval. If we want to recover a file, click Recover File from Backup in the menu. Select the document to restore, and click Recover to choose the path for the recovered document. Click the Save button to save the file and open the recovered document. Besides opening files directly from the computer folder, we can also open them within Axure RP. Click Open in the menu bar and select the file to open it. We can also export all pages as images by clicking Export All Pages to Image in the menu, then selecting the path. Additionally, we can create a new file from a template by clicking New from Templates in the menu and selecting UX Prototyping to create a new file from that template. You can see the loaded template pages.